And good evening to my fellow panelists. There is one thing that I completely disagree with you and the previous panelists who said that, talking about Rahul Gandhi, one thing is certain, Rahul Gandhi is not brainwashed. ये तो मैं सर्टन हूं, बिकॉज उसके लिए एक प्राइमरी क्राइटेरिया है कि ब्रेन होना चाहिए. ब्रेन वॉशिंग का प्राइमरी क्राइटेरिया ये है. आजकल बहुत लोग वो धुरंधर की बैकग्राउंड स्कोर लगा रहे हैं और पीछे यू शूश खुश खुश. इसमें राहुल गांधी की जैसी फोटो दिखती है, मुझे ब्लंडर का बैकग्राउंड स्कोर सामने आता है. ये कह क्या रहे हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल लायर. मैं आपको हिस्ट्री बताता हूं. नंबर 1, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की वो जजमेंट भी अगर डॉक्टर मुनि यहां पे पढ़ें. इंसिडेंटली प्रणेश, आप भी जानते हैं कि देर आर 2 रैशनल पीपल अगेंस्ट 4.5 टुनाइट. तो प्लीज थोड़ा हमें चांस दीजिएगा. हाफ मैं तहसीन को मान रहा हूं, जब इनका मन करता है रैशनल हो जाते हैं, जब मन नहीं करता कांग्रेस को सपोर्ट करने लगते हैं. बट क्या आपको मालूम है कि शाह कमीशन दैट वाज सेट अप आफ्टर इंदिरा गांधी लॉस्ट द इलेक्शंस टू लुक इनटू द excesses of the emergency severely indicted a person called Naveen Chawla and said he is not fit for public office. You know who made Naveen Chawla an election commissioner? It was the Congress. Not fit for public office को election commissioner बना दिया. लेकिन यही नहीं, जब वो election commissioner थे, तब जो चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर थे, उन्होंने एफिडेविट में प्रेसिडेंट को चिट्ठी लिखी और क्या कहा कि मैम प्लीज लुक इनटू दिस बिकॉज दिस इलेक्शन कमिश्नर इज स्पाइंग फॉर द कांग्रेस. On the pretext of having toilet breaks, he goes outside and relays all the sensitive information to God knows what, maybe 10 Janpath. Please look into this. The president that was appointed at that point of time by Congress looked into this. You know what she did? She appointed Naveen Chawla as the chief election commissioner before the 2009 elections. This is the same Congress who for 70 years were appointing election commissioners and chief election commissioner on the beck and call of the dynasty. This is what they were doing. Forget about leader of opposition. Forget about the Chief Justice of India. And then when the Supreme Court passes a judgment and a temporary advice that till such time the government of the day formulates a procedure, we are advocating this. Now the government of the day, which is the Modi government, formulated a procedure. And I don't agree with this. I agree with what Mr. Advani had said. In fact, Mr. Advani had said in 2011 or 12 that the chief election commissioner should be selected by a committee that comprises of the Prime Minister, right, the leader of opposition and the Chief Justice of India. Now, Mr. Modi has overruled what Mr. Advani said. That's another thing. But please do not complicate matters by saying that the Congress was doing any better. In fact, the Congress was doing much worse because there you didn't even have the leader of opposition. This is the history where Rahul Gandhi is now left to threaten people. तो इसमें मुझे यही है भैया, ये ज्ञानेश कुमार को तो थ्रेटन कर दिया, जरा एक बार योगी को थ्रेटन करके दिखाओ तो वो कहेंगे आएगा ना, डरेगा तो नहीं, आएगा ना.
तहसीन.